This all-new Ford Territory comes with class-leading features and capabilities revolving around technology, safety and performance, and stays true to Ford's SUV heritage. It is powered by a 1.5-liter turbocharged EcoBoost engine with a CVT transmission, delivering 143 PS and 225 Nm of torque, balancing power and fuel efficiency. And it only requires once a year scheduled maintenance service, driving lower cost of ownership. It also comes with Ford Co-Pilot 360, our suite of driver assist technology that includes active park assist with parallel parking and the segment first perpendicular parking, as well as the 360-degree round view monitor. This SUV is feature-packed with innovations such as a 10-inch touchscreen that allows you to customize it the way you want, to control air conditioning, vehicle settings, device connectivity, and media. It also comes with a wireless charging pad and fully digital instrument panel with 3 selectable modes. And with all that, you'll be wrapped in luxurious leather. The all-new Ford Territory is available in titanium and trend variants and comes in 6 exciting colors.
The Territory Compact SUV is the newest member of Ford's SUV family. It was designed with a laser focus on space, connectivity and technology. The Territory is easily recognizable as a Ford product thanks to the input of Ford Australia's design studio. Up front it features a variant of trapezoidal Ford grille. This is flanked by slim LED headlights. Moving on to the sides, we see its wide muscular wheel arches and prominent rising character line. At the back, it gets sophisticated looking LED taillights linked together by a chrome bar. The hidden C and D pillars give the Territory a semi-floating roof design. Inside, it gets a modern dashboard which features an elegant horizontal design, the centerpiece in its integrated 10-inch touchscreen. The titanium variant sports a fully digital instrument cluster. With a highlight on space and comfort, the Territory offers plenty of rear passenger legroom as well as a near flat rear floor. Rear AC vents are standard. Inside the Territory's neat engine bay is a 1.5-liter turbocharged inline 4 EcoBoost gasoline mill which puts off 141 horsepower and 225 Nm of torque. Power is sent to the front wheels through a continuously variable transmission. Up front, it has independent MacPherson struck suspension at the back. It has Ford's familiar control blade multi-link setup. 4-wheel disc brake are standard on all variants. The Territory was tested at Ford's Geelong providing grounds in Melbourne, Australia and in Nanjing, China for its ride, handling and NVH. The new Territory has a long list of safety features. This includes 6 airbags, ABS, electronic stability control and 3-point seatbelt for all occupants. The Titanium Plus variants get extra features like autonomous emergency braking, lane departure warning, blind spot information system and an HD 360-degree around view monitoring system.